So hello everyone, welcome to the channel Infoanil. So in this video we are going to discuss the topic. The topic is what are the benefits of joining Infosys. So in this video we will discuss all these benefits. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So before moving to the actual topic, let me give you a brief intro about the Infosys company. So Infosys is an IT company which is known for friendly environment and policies. Infosys is also the second largest IT service providing company, and the company has presence in 234 locations across 50 plus countries as on 10th of September 2021. So the moment you enter inside the campus, you feel like you are in a different part of the world. Any Infosys campus is like a mini city, that is, you will find almost anything and everything on the campus. So the benefits that you will get, first is the cheerful infrastructure. So almost all of the Infosys campuses are characterized by lush greenery and magnificent architecture. The Mysore campus is the biggest and extends up to the 36 acre, whereas the headquarters at the Bangalore cover an area of approx 100 acre. So don't worry, bicycles are available for transit inside the campus. So the second one is the well organized transport system. Infosys provide a carefully managed bus transport system. The routes cover almost every area in the city. Also, on demand cab service is available for late night travels. Moreover, a travel desk is available inside the campus for any outstation official travel. So the third one is the Employee Recreation Center. This is the most interesting part. Infosys believes in maintaining a proper work-life balance. Facilities such as well-equipped gymnasium, aerobic, lawn tennis court, badminton court, football ground, cricket ground, basketball court, badminton court, table tennis, pool, snooker, squash court, swimming pool, volleyball, etc. are available inside the campus. Now let's come to the fourth point, that is some miscellaneous facilities. So the facilities that you will get inside the campus also includes library, post office, courier desk, forex department, ATM, bank, medical, clinic, employee care center for accommodation inside the campus in case of business travel. The basic medical insurance for all the employees, work from home policy based on your role. So now let's come to the fifth one, that is frequent camps and initiatives. So regular health checkup camps, blood donation camp, etc. are frequently organized inside the campus. Infosys also runs a corporate social responsibility initiative. Employee can contribute to the same based on their wish. So here is the sixth point, that is professional benefits. So these benefits that employees get are all same everywhere in the Infosys offices. So it includes gratuity, PF, that is Provident Fund, medical insurance, allowances, and 6th day working payout. So this 6th day working payout depends on project. If you are in a good project and you are lucky, you will get pay for the 6th working day. These were all the facilities that the employee of the Infosys enjoys. So these Infosys facilities and policies are employee oriented. Hope you like the video. So make sure to subscribe this channel for these kind of videos. Thank you for watching the video.